Cowboys, Rams, Buccaneers. I'm not worried about the Cowboys at all. This Cowboys will do the Cowboys do. I think they're talented.
But it is expected during
tests. The emergency alert system. This is only a test. Este es un test del sistema de alerta de emergencia. Es únicamente un test.
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning.
So weird that they do
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This
that's not, nope, doesn't
from the transmitter will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
But they don't broadcast weather.
Respected